Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 12th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. I'm showing the Dow here in the 1 hour bars, so you can, it pulls back and shows here back to the end of October. And what has happened here at the beginning of November through today, Dow had quite a tumble today, fell 602 points. Um, it's still not really threatening what I call the low back here on, I believe that's the 29th of October, but it looks like it's taken about a third of the runoff here on these days. And, you know, if this thing continues, yeah, it's going to threaten that low. We'll just have to see. I haven't even had time to figure out exactly what happened today, and probably what the so-called experts say happened really didn't happen anyway. Anyway, the Dow took a tumble today of 602 points. We had a decent day today, mainly because we're holding stocks which do well in bear market. We had 5 positions, 4 positive, only 1 negative, and we are up over $8,000 in our open trade equity. As far as what we closed out negative $234, basically neutral there. So on balance, we had a pretty good day. Can't complain. And so we'll just have to see what happens. You know, the whole name of the game here is stay out of stocks on this tumble. I mean, stocks that are correlated to the indexes like the Dow. But anyway, we did that today, and we did pretty well. I'll show you a couple of those stocks. We did really well with this. This is UGAZ, which is the natural gas bull, and this had gapped up on Friday. We bought the gap. Didn't really do anything for us on Friday, but it gapped up today and gave us a nice exit there, and we took out $3,100 in that trade this morning shortly after the open, and then it pulled back, and then it started rallying again toward the last half of the day. It hit our re-entry and kept going, and we got $2,000 more in open trade equity out of UGAZ. So combined there, we got over $5,000 so far in UGAZ. That looks very nice. And then the big one of the day, this is SOX, SOXS. It's a semiconductor bear. And on Friday we had a gap up. We bought it. Didn't do too much for us on the close, but it really took off today. Big gap up and kept moving, closing pretty close to its high. And we have $6,600, $6,600 open trade equity in the semiconductor bear. So that looks really, really good. And that's where most of our profits so far today are coming. Anyway, I had a pretty decent day, although we're basically trading on the short side right now. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here tomorrow and trading on Tuesday.